waxaan hadda joogaa beer ka mid ah beeraha ku yaala magaaladan hadda aan joogo. Beertan waxaa maamula ama mas'uul ka ah nin u dhashay waddanka Zambia oo aan saaxiib nahay. Muddo ayuu beertan hawsheedu ku jiray. waxaan u maleynayaa 2016 meelahaasaan filayaa in degmadan hadda aan joogno ay siisay dhulkan si uu u beerto maadaama takhasuskiisa beeraha ay ahaayeen. marka wuxuu iga codsaday inaan soo booqdo beertiisa oo dadkana uu faa'iideeyo qaabka beeraha loo abuurto iyo sida loo bacrimiyo geedaha kala duwan ee beeraha lagu abuuro. marka hadda beertii aan nimid iftiinka zaida. marka hadda beertaan nimid asaga aan la kulmi doonaa. waxaan isku dayi doonaa inaan wareysi ka qaado insha Allah. daawasho wanaagsan. gudaha hadda u galeynaa beerta. isaga wuxuu joogaa qaybta dambe waan u tagi doonaa. marka beertiisa runtii waa weyn tahay ilaa iyo lake halkaas ku yaalo ayay tagaysaa. marka dining room waa decoration waxyaabahan oo dhan. halkaana كل ساعة نوشة كين دونا نتوسع دونا. مركز هذا بيرت جديد هذا كتيرنا طبعاً وحيوان هذا كو أبو رمبرتا وحكم ده سيد إيش جي كبسر علينته أما سلانترو وحكم ده بعر كان وحكم ده بطاطيقة وحيوان فربنا حكم ده موس كاسو إيش جي حكم موضوع موس. Tell us a little bit about the farm.
Well, we started this farm 7 years ago. Before we started, we came and looked at the land. It was just nothing but grass.
Okay.
I said, okay, why can't we grow food here? So we went to the city because this area is managed by the city. So we lease this property, this land, yeah. So it's about 2.7 acres.
Wow.
Yeah, so...
okay. So, what do you guys grow here? What do you guys plant?
When I say we grow pretty much everything, it's really true because what we're trying to do is to have food from different parts of the world.
Okay.
To introduce diversity, not just diversity in people. You know, we want diversity in plants too, because we feel that the world is beautiful when diversity comes together. So we grow, as I said, we grow amaranth, we grow, you know, sunflowers, you know, we grow all kinds of flowers like dahlias. In terms of food, we grow cabbage, we grow kale, we grow onion, garlic, the whole 9 yards.
Bananas.
Bananas, yeah. You can see from there, yes.
So good. So tell us a little bit about your background back home. You used to be a farmer or you just started when you get here?
Well, I did just a little bit of farming back home in Africa. My kind of career background is in business. I was trained as an accountant, and also as a supply chain management. Yeah. So, but everything, you know, took a back seat when I realized that food is important and I need to put my hands in learning how to grow food.
What do you guys do for the community
in
this area?
For the community, our focus is really with the children, young people, because really they are the future generation.
Yes.
So we spend a lot of work working with the different school districts. So we have students come, especially during weekends. Some of them they volunteer to get their community hours. Some of them they just want to know how to grow food, and we work a lot, as I said, in this area with the Beverly School District. And then, of course, Sisika School District, Lake Washington School District, Renton School District. So,
wow.
Yeah, that's kind of our niche.
Okay.
And it's working very well for us.
So all the things that we see here, all the different plants, are they organic?
Yes.
Okay.
Although, it takes a long time to be certified. So we usually say we grow food naturally because it's a long process. But everything, we don't use, you know, chemicals here. And we use organic seeds, so yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, because I remember last time when we came here, you give us some onions and the taste here was like way different than what we buy from the other stores.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And then, of course, before you leave, I'll make sure that you take a sample of our tomatoes we are
Absolutely.
growing here.
Yes.
You know, and some of the vegetables, so that you can taste the flavor.
Absolutely.
You know, yeah.
You can taste the organic flavor.
yes.
You guys open summertime only, or is it
No, actually, it's funny because we start in winter,
Wow.
which is kind of unusual because there's nothing growing. But the last few years, you know, there's been a lot of interest.
Yeah.
So some of the students, they come in January, said, we want to help. So we do a little bit of cleaning, and February, we're just getting ready.
Wow.
March, we are full throttle, you know,
Amazing.
growing and planting. Yeah.
I see a lot of decorations. Things like look way better than last time when I came here. So who does all these decorations? The kids that visited here, or you guys do?
Well, I kind of manage, you know, the design, but I have, you know, students who come here, they help me. I show them how to do it, and usually they're pretty good. You know,
Okay.
they follow instructions. As you can see, yeah, we are decorating now because it's at the end of the year, and our biggest event towards the end of the year is the pumpkin event.
The pumpkin, the
We-
Halloween.
Yeah, we grow giant pumpkins, and so that's always fun.
I saw a lot of
Yeah.
big ones sitting there. I think maybe the audience can see those.
Yeah.
When I was coming in, I took some clips. You're just trying to give back to the community that you live in.
Yes.
You're just trying to help the kids learn about farm. Also, the people who are coming to visit, sometimes they take some organic things with them.
Yeah.
That's really amazing. And so you guys do on weekends or weekdays?
Well, actually, almost 7 days.
Wow.
Weekends, we just open it up, maybe from morning to about 5 p.m. During the week, it depends. We sometimes have programs where, you know, kids say, oh, they'll come at 10 a.m. and we have an hour or two of just working with the kids or with schools. Yeah. You hustle. You know, the community has been very, very kind and gracious. So we involve a lot of community members, and we also have a program called family members, you know.
Yes.
People who want to support this work. And so they do, okay, we'll give maybe $100. We can, you know, pick stuff from here, whether it's flowers or veggies. But that just goes to help us advance this work.
Maintain the farm.
Yeah, maintain the farm, yeah.
Okay. And also I can see that the farm is expanding farther back there.
Yeah.
So you have any plans for that, you know, back there?
Yeah,
Or
oh,
you just wanna
definitely.
leave it like that?
We have plans for the whole area. The first few years we're just kind of trying to have a feel of this land. The challenge about this land is that part of it is wetland. So there's a lot of water, and sometimes it's, you know, it's difficult to grow things in water. Yeah. But now we've managed to kind of understand and have a good feel of what can be grown here. And so moving forward, the whole of this land you are seeing will be fully developed.
Thanks, Mabin. Hopefully we're going to take some clips from the farm and then we're going to share with you. And thank you for your time. I know you're busy. There's a lot of people who are here.
Yeah, just
asking questions.
one more thing, because this is very important to me.
Yeah.
This area we began, as I said, 7 years ago, but now our goal is to expand to Africa and beyond.
Yes.
And so we use this area as a demonstration farm.
Yep.
And right now, we are also looking for people who are interested in farming so that we can coordinate and hopefully we can help each other. All right.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mabin.
Take
I
care.
really appreciate your time as always, my friend. Da waxaan ka soo baxay beertii aan booqashada ku yimid maanta. Waxaan rajaynayaa inaad waxaan ka faa'iideen wareysigii aan ka qaaday maamulaha beerta oo la yiraahdo Mabin wuxuu u dhashay waddanka Zambia. Marka dabcan wareysiga English uu ahaa waa ka xumahay inaan af Soomaali dabcan ku wareysan waayo maadaama aan u aqoon af Soomaaliga. Marka aad baan idin salaamaya dhammaantiin waan rajaynaa intiina beeraha jecel inaad muuqaalka soo xun ka faa'iideen. Assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh.